Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back in. Oh man, in the land of grills. We always got something going on in the land of grills. And today we're gonna try pizza. We're actually gonna try take and bake pizza on the Weber Traveler. Now, when doing it on a gas grill, especially if you don't have the ability for indirect, and something like this has only got one burner, so there's no indirect on this grill. So what I've got is I've got a modified pizza stone. Actually, this is from Barbecue Dragon, and they make this to go on a Weber 22-inch kettle for indirect cooking, where you put your charcoal underneath this, and it sits on the lip for the grills, for the grill grates, and it gives you an indirect area, and plus it gives you some thermal mass. I've done a bunch of modifications to it over the years, but it does fit nicely in the Weber Traveler. We'll take a look at some dimensions, so if you're getting a pizza stone, you know what to get, and we'll take a look at the pizza. We're going to do a take and bake tonight. If you've watched my channel, you know I love, there's, here in the Midwest, it's called Papa Murphy's. I think there are in other spots of the country, but they have awesome take and bake pizza. And what we're going to do, it comes on a cardboard backing that's good to go in the oven. We're going to put it on here and until it gets a little bit cooked, and then I'll be able to shake it off that cardboard so I can get the crust onto the stone. But the key thing first is to turn it on, let it heat up for a couple minutes. You gotta take it easy on stones when it comes to direct flame, because you don't want to crack it. So I'll put it probably on medium, let it get good and hot, and then cook up some pizza, give you a look-see. All right, so as we start to come up to temp here, let's take a look at the dimensions on the inside so you know what size pizza you can fit in here. So it's the pizza I got is a 12-inch. And that is probably, you can see maybe 14, but a 12 is going to be just perfect, and a 12 just barely fits on this stone. And that's, in my opinion, the key to it, especially on a gas grill, is that you have a pizza stone in there, especially when, like this grill, you don't have the ability to do indirect. So get this up to temp. I want to get that stone to 400-ish before I put the pizza on, and that's the key. It's not about what this is reading. It's what your temperature is on your stone. All right, and it's about 7 minutes. We've got the temp control set at about 3/4. You can see our lid there is reading about 425. That's perfect for pizza. Let's see what our, yeah, that's about right where we want her, in the 400s. Folks, you don't want to be too hot, and 400 is about where it's going to be. So we're going to get that take and bake. Put it on. Remember, we're going to put it on with the cardboard and let it go for maybe 8 minutes. And by then, the crust should be firmed up enough that we should be able to shake it off onto that stone, and that'll help brown up that crust a little bit more. So let's see how that works. All right, pizza just went on Papa Murphy's, folks. I'm a big supporter. It's a franchise. It's not that big in the United States. A lot of them are independently owned. So if you have one, I tell you what, and you're looking for great take and bake, Papa Murphy's, that's where it's at. All right, so we're right around 8 minutes. You can see everything is melting real nice up there. Got a little browning going on the backside. We're going to see if we can shake this off the cardboard. Yeah, it wants to come off. There she goes. Let's get it onto that stone. Let's get a little browning going on. We'll be very careful with that we don't burn it. So we're going to probably give it about 3 minutes. Take a look at the crust at that point. All right, I was going to go about 3 minutes, but I can smell something might be burning here. So we're just going to take a look at the crust with you. Oh yeah, the crust is definitely getting done. So we're going to put the cardboard back underneath, because I don't want to burn the crust. Put that cardboard back on like that. And we'll keep on going until we get nice and brown up here. Give you a look-see. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah, that pizza's ready to come off. Looks really nice. Got some nice golden brown going on there. We know that crust is good. We'll take her off, give you a look-see. All right, there's our pizza, folks. I'll tell you what. Oh man. Let's take a look at the crust. Oh yeah, that's golden brown right there. Perfect. That's something that the stone brings to you when you put that on the gas grill. So can you do a pizza on the gas grill? Folks, I'll tell you what, we did a pizza on the Weber Traveler portable gas grill. Turned out great. Tom Horsman on YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, folks, appreciate you watching. Thank you.